I told y'all I've been trying out all the colored wigs for y'all. So we have this cute straight burgundy wig here, and I want to thank Soul Lady Hair for sponsoring today's video. This wig did come with one of the wig strips that you can put underneath your lace to kind of hide the grids. I'm not sure of the specific name. I'm sure y'all know what it is. You can let me know what it is in the comment section down below, but I used the darker one underneath my lace. What? This looks so good. Y'all know I've been putting concealer on my lace, but this is so much easier to do, and you don't have to keep reapplying it. It'll just stay put right there, and literally all the grids are gone. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. It looks so good. This is their straight 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and I got it in 20 inches. I wanted to do a shorter length. I've been doing a lot of like 26, 24 inch, and I know some of you like 20 inches or even shorter. If you're looking for something that is not a bright color but still is giving you something different than a natural colored wig, I say definitely try this out. I don't know if it's turning out more bright on camera, but this wig looks pretty subtle for it being like a burgundy reddish color. It's summertime right now, but fall is right around the corner, and this is a perfect fall colored wig. I didn't even have to part this wig. It already came pre-parted on the side, so I did a side parting. I'm really happy that it came with a side parting because I've been doing a middle parting like pretty much every time, especially with straight hairs. It was a nice switch up, and I don't typically do side partings that often in lace closure wigs. You can definitely part this on the side, in the middle, wherever you want on that closure. It does have a free parting style. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous burgundy lace closure wig from Soul Lady Hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do. But tonight, baby, outside. Outside. get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Count down for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions.
So this install turned out super sleek. I love that the straight hair I've been receiving lately is so like sleek. All I really have to do is run the straightener through really quickly just to get like any kinks out. And the coloring of this hair is so pretty. Let me know what y'all think about this color in the comment section down below. Would you rock it? If you're interested in purchasing this wig from Soul Lady Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupons that they provide me with. If you have a colored wig you would like me to try, let me know what color in the comment section down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already watched my latest makeup tutorial, go ahead, click the box right here. It's gonna take you straight to it.